I have called for this meeting, and seriously, because of what is going on.
Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike has said he is not getting the support of the federal government in his bid to rid the state of black soot and illegal refineries. Governor Wike said this at a meeting he had with the traditional rulers in the state at the Banquet Hall of Government House in Port Harcourt on Friday. At the meeting, which was attended by heads of security agencies and chairmen of the 23 local government areas of the state, Governor Wike urged traditional rulers not to allow illegal crude oil artisanal refining activities in their domains anymore. Governor Wike told the traditional rulers that those involved in illegal refinery activities are sabotaging the national economy. He regretted that the federal government, which controls the oil industry, and the security agencies have been indifferent to the soot pandemic and the damage it is inflicting on the health of the residents of Rivers State. According to Governor Wike, the way the federal government intends to fight insurgency is the way they should fight illegal oil bunkering because it is sabotage on the national economy.
Because of what is going on in our state for some time, so many people wake up in the morning and complain about soot that pervades the entire city, and which of course has harmful effects. It can lead to cancer, it can lead to any other thing. I will refer this as our own COVID that is peculiar to our own state. I've had meetings with security agencies, I've had meetings with council chairmen, but I've decided to call all the traditional rulers so that we know the importance of this. There's no gainsaying that some of us do not know. Those who are involved in illegal bunkering, that making us to suffer the way we're suffering today. Let nobody deny the fact that we're not aware that illegal bunkering going on in our various communities, in our various villages. Enough is enough. We can't continue to live this way. And so we will not allow this kind of illegal trading to take place. First of all, it affects the national economy. First of all, it's a sabotage of the national economy. Secondly, it affects our health. For the national economy, it is the responsibility of the federal government to say how this thing can be stopped. As I speak to you, nobody has called me for federal government to say how they can support us. But they're enjoying it. But that's not my business. My business is the health of my people. That is my core business. If not that, I'm not interested. Because the federal government is not interested to stop it. I don't know how I can be a security officer to be sent to a place to protect people, to protect our whatever that belongs to the federal government. At the same time, I'm involved in sabotaging the national economy. I don't understand how I can wear uniform. I'm involved in that. I can't understand it. I can't. So it is a total war. If they do not want to support us, we have no choice but to expose all the atrocities that's going on in this state. The way this illegality is going now, police appear not to show much commitment because most of your people are directly involved. That is the truth. So you must, as a duty, call on your community, your CDC, Community Development Committee, call on your youth bodies that you cannot continue to allow this. It does not matter. As of last night, I was getting intelligence, and having known that these people load in the midnight from these areas, I expected by now that you have sent a joint patrol to have blocked these areas to know those who are coming. In fact, I have to send my people, my special security, to go and intercept a major who was trying to escort some of these illegal products. We are going to publish the names of all those that were gotten and their numbers. We'll publish it and we are going to declare them wanted. So River State cannot continue to be like this.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.